Hey now, what's going on? Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bit. So, back to the wig. In my last video, I had it curled. I'm gonna try and put a picture in here of how I had it curled last time, but I didn't like it, so I didn't stick with it, and I flattened it. Now it's like too thick of a bang. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to attempt to show you guys how to thin out a wig bang. Now, what I would do is I would normally use my thinning shears, but for some reason I can't find my thinning shears, and I had two different kinds. So I can't find either pair, so now I'm going to have to go in with some scissors or something. I think I might use like one of these eyebrow razors. Can you see? Because it has like the little ridges there. So I might try that. I'm going to go on with that. Now, what I would have done and what you can do is, see how they have the tracks here? You can go in when thinning out a wig. You can go in and just clip some of those tracks to thin out the hair. I don't want to thin this part. And of course, the front doesn't have it to where you see that they just, I guess, did a sew-in on the front part or glued it in. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to have to go in this way. So let me put her on. Let me put her on. How's everybody doing today? Yesterday was Labor Day. What'd you guys do? I did nothing. I'm not big on holidays. Oh no. Look. Oh no. Yeah, that's that's way too thick. Yeah, I didn't even try it on after I flat ironed it because I knew by looking at it it was gonna be too thick, and I didn't want it that thick. Oh y'all. Please don't laugh. You can laugh. You can laugh because I'm laughing. Okay, so now what I'm going to have to do. Wait. I didn't have everything situated. I'm going to have to go in. Try to. Hope you guys can see me. Let me lift this up a little bit. Sorry, y'all. Oh. Put that over there. Now you can try and be brave. If you're a professional, you can do it without any problems, but I'm not a professional. So trying to go in with regular scissors makes me nervous because I know I'll mess up. So I'm going to try and use this like I said. Can you guys see it? It has like the little ridge. This is what I use to get the peach fuzz off my face. Who else gets the peach fuzz off their face? It helps your makeup go on better, and it also makes you a little lighter because Oh, I'm doing it. Because the peach fuzz makes your skin darker and it can make some areas darker than others. So you're looking a little two-tone. That's what I have a problem with. Y'all, it's working. It's working. Watch me mess around and take too much off. See, ideally, the whole bang will be thin. Like, you can see parts of my forehead coming through. Actually, thinner than this, I would want it. But we're just gonna keep messing with it. Can you guys see it? Let me get another part. I'm trying to stay over my sink so it doesn't all go on the floor. Not that I can't sweep it up, but I don't have to bend way down there. Oh, uh-oh. Y'all, look, I did a bald spot. Oh my gosh. Got a little too happy and was just going. Crap. Oh, no. Crap. I knew it. I knew I was going to it. Crap on a cracker. I'll fix it. Yeah, this bottom part is really thick. I'm scared. Okay, I'm doing it lightly. Trying to do it lightly. Bear with me, y'all. See, that's why it's best to have a pair of thinning shears. Because I would have been done. I could have just went in, clip, 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 and pulled it out. It's still too thick. What you guys think? Still too thick. But it's thinner than it was. It's thinner than starting to sweat. You see all that I just pulled out from underneath? I don't like hair on my face. It makes me feel yucky. Loose hair. Get out of the way. Yeah, it's a lot thinner. I can tell it's a lot thinner. Can you guys tell? It's a lot thinner than it was. It's not as thin as I want it to be, but I think I'm gonna stop before I have more bald spots in this bang. Boy, oh boy, y'all. Anyway, this is my my how-to thin a bang. I'm sure there are easier ways to do it. I did look around here on YouTube, of course, but I couldn't find anything that would help me do it to where I wouldn't completely butcher it. So this was my best option. I didn't see anyone using an eyebrow thinner, eyebrow shaper, eyebrow thinner, whatever they call these. It's in the Fuzz-Free Fold and Go Groomer. That's what it's called. Fuzz-Free Fold and Go Groomer. Keep one in your purse in case you ever notice some peach fuzz while you're out or you need to freshen up your eyebrows. But yeah, I thought about this last night as I was watching the videos and thinking, what can I use? Because I can't find my shears, my thinning shears. said, hey, this has little ridges on it. It's not just a flat razor. It has the flat razor, but then on the outer parts, it has the shaper part. So yeah, I figured I could use that without butchering it too much. What do you guys think? I want it wispy. That's the name of it, a wispy bang. I can see some of my forehead. It's okay. I think this is okay. What do you guys think? I like this. The bang. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all, like the video if you like the video. Thank you so much for hanging with me for this time and for dealing with my craziness. See, I know the bald part is there. I'm seeing it, but I'm not seeing it. I'm only seeing it because I know it's there. See, you guys can't see it, can you? Okay, anyway, thank you so much for hanging with me. I'm actually going to start wearing this one and the other one because I like them and I'm tired of wasting my money on wigs that I don't wear. And it's the color of my natural hair. So yeah. Enjoy your day, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.